The 2026 Tank 500 Hybrid is here, and it's rewriting the rules of luxury off-road SUVs. This isn't just a new model, it's a bold statement from the Chinese automotive industry, stepping directly into territory once dominated by names like the Toyota Land Cruiser and Nissan Patrol. From the moment you see it, the Tank 500 Hybrid commands attention with its imposing size, confident design, and luxury detailing. The massive chrome grille at the front gives it a powerful face, flanked by ultra-modern LED matrix headlights that not only look stunning but also adapt intelligently to driving conditions. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, giving it the right balance of elegance and toughness. This SUV isn't trying to hide its off-road intentions, it's proudly built for both the city streets and the most challenging terrains. Under the hood, the 2026 Tank 500 Hybrid packs an impressive hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering exceptional power while keeping efficiency in check. With a combined output of around 350 horsepower and over 600 Nm of torque, it's capable of handling steep dunes, rocky trails, and high-speed highway cruising with equal confidence. The hybrid system not only boosts performance but also ensures quieter, smoother drives, especially when running on electric power in urban environments. Step inside and the Tank 500 Hybrid immediately reveals why it's being called a luxury contender. The cabin feels more like a high-end lounge than an off-road vehicle. Plush leather seats with intricate stitching, a massive 14-inch infotainment display, and a fully digital instrument cluster greet you. The materials used are top-notch. Soft touch surfaces, genuine wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents create an atmosphere of refinement. The seating is spacious in all three rows, and the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making long journeys feel more open and relaxing. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Tank 500 Hybrid's appeal. The infotainment system supports the latest wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates. The premium audio system delivers concert-like sound, and the ambient lighting system lets you customize the mood inside the cabin. On the driver assistance side, the Tank 500 Hybrid is loaded with advanced features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and even an off-road mode that uses cameras to show what's directly under the wheels. When it comes to performance, this SUV is more than just a showpiece. Its advanced four-wheel drive system, multiple terrain modes, and locking differentials give it genuine off-road capabilities. Whether you're climbing steep inclines, fording shallow rivers, or crossing deep sand, the Tank 500 Hybrid takes it all in stride. The hybrid system's instant torque delivery also comes in handy off-road, where precise power control can mean the difference between getting stuck and powering through. On-road, the suspension is tuned for comfort without sacrificing stability. Even at highway speeds, the ride feels composed and quiet. The hybrid technology makes city driving smoother and more fuel efficient, which is a big plus for an SUV of this size. The transition between electric and petrol power is seamless, and regenerative braking helps recharge the battery while reducing wear on the brakes. One of the biggest surprises about the 2026 Tank 500 Hybrid is its pricing compared to traditional rivals. Offering luxury, performance, and technology on par with high-end Japanese and European SUVs, it comes in at a price point that's hard to ignore. This is part of why it's generating so much buzz. Buyers are getting more for less, without compromising on quality. And speaking of quality, the Tank 500 Hybrid has been built with durability in mind. From the reinforced chassis to the water-resistant electronics, it's designed to handle harsh conditions year after year. The attention to detail is impressive, and the fit and finish rival that of more established luxury brands. Fuel economy for a full-size SUV is another area where the Tank 500 Hybrid shines. Thanks to its hybrid system, it delivers significantly better mileage than traditional petrol-powered rivals, making it more practical for long-distance travel. It also has a large fuel tank, giving it a long range between refueling stops, which is ideal for off-road expeditions or cross-country road trips. In terms of design, the rear of the Tank 500 Hybrid is just as bold as the front. LED tail lights, a neatly integrated spare tire mount, and chrome touches make it look premium from every angle. The large tailgate opens wide for easy access to the cargo area, and the split folding seats give you flexibility for carrying passengers and luggage. The 2026 Tank 500 Hybrid is also a statement about how far Chinese automotive engineering has come. It's no longer just about affordable alternatives, it's about competing directly with the best in the world. And with features like a plug-in hybrid option rumored for future models, it's clear that the Tank brand is thinking ahead. Driving the Tank 500 Hybrid feels like you're in control of something substantial yet refined. The steering is responsive, the brakes are strong, and the visibility is excellent thanks to its high seating position and large windows. Whether you're on a winding mountain road, a crowded city street, or a desert trail, the SUV adapts effortlessly. The safety package is comprehensive, giving drivers confidence in all conditions. From multiple airbags to advanced collision avoidance systems, it's designed to protect both passengers and pedestrians. Even the structure of the vehicle has been engineered for maximum crash protection. Owners will also appreciate the practicality built into the design. Multiple storage compartments, USB charging ports for all rows, and a powerful climate control system with rear seat vents make every trip more comfortable. The attention to passenger comfort is evident in every detail. The Tank 500 Hybrid's arrival in 2026 marks a significant moment in the SUV market. It's proof that you can have rugged capability, luxury, and cutting-edge technology in one package without paying an outrageous price. It challenges long-held assumptions about which brands dominate the premium SUV space, and it does so with confidence. In a market where buyers are looking for more value without compromising on style or features, the Tank 500 Hybrid delivers in every way. It's a vehicle that can take you from the boardroom to the mountains without missing a beat, and it's built to make a strong impression wherever it goes. With its striking design, powerful hybrid powertrain, and luxurious interior, the 2026 Tank 500 Hybrid is more than just another SUV, it's a game changer that will make even the most loyal Land Cruiser and Patrol fans take a second look. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a long-distance traveler, or someone who just wants a commanding presence on the road, the Tank 500 Hybrid offers a compelling package that's hard to resist. It's a bold move from a brand that's clearly aiming for the top, and if first impressions are anything to go by, they're well on their way to getting there.